Welcome to Chief of Party to Chief of Party, success in your first 90 days. As you navigate the USAID landscape for the first time or seek to sharpen your skills, we're here to provide the guidance you need to address the unique challenges of this role. Host Donna Vincent Roa, an experienced Chief of Party, will inform and inspire your journey.
Welcome to the forefront of transformation, where technology intersects with humanitarian intent and where your leadership as the new Chief of Party for a USAID-funded project will be both tested and celebrated. In this episode, we'll embark on a learning path focused on technological integration and innovation. I'm Dr. Donna Vincent Roa, a fellow Chief of Party, and in this role, we need to see technology as a dynamic framework that underpins every facet of our project. It's the foundation upon which efficiency, scalability, and impact are built. Your first step is to understand the technological assets at your disposal and identify any gaps that your project may have. In a startup setting, a robust audit is going to help you to grasp what your project may need and how technology can be put in place to help to meet your project's objectives. Whether it's leveraging blockchain for transparency and supply chain management, using drones, for example, to map and assess disaster-stricken areas, or even using an AI clone to deliver training materials, the right technology for your project can be a game changer. In the world of international development and humanitarian assistance, data is the currency of credibility. You can implement data analytics platforms that can take raw numbers and turn them into actionable insights. Access to real-time dashboards, for example, can empower your decision-making and provide you with information that can justify your efforts to pivot strategies or adjust your work plans. Our project success at the Partnerships Incubator is often directly proportional to our team's ability to leverage technology. At my project, we've seen great benefits from our investment in training programs that augment the team's digital literacy. We've witnessed productivity enhancements and a more dynamic work environment where innovation thrives when we can augment our workflows with the appropriate tools. Cloud computing, for example, can offer a project the elasticity it needs to scale up or down based on demand. By leveraging cloud services, you can ensure that your team has access to necessary computing resources without the burden of managing a physical infrastructure. We found that using AI to support the creation and development of partner training programs has influenced our project timelines, in addition to providing USAID with the option to make quick changes if program information has updates or there's a change in the rules. In deploying technology, cybersecurity and data privacy cannot be afterthoughts. As you make these choices, put in place stringent protocols that are going to protect your stakeholders' personal information and ensure compliance with international standards and the local regulations. Your technological legacy should be measured not just by the systems you implement, but by the human capacity you build. Think about establishing training centers or online courses to equip local stakeholders with the skills to maintain and innovate upon the technological solutions provided. At the Partnerships Incubator, we found that a marketplace survey and close examination of different platforms can yield technology solutions that can transform the way we work. Finally, technology provides the means to continuously monitor and evaluate your project's impact. You want to use this to your advantage. Gather feedback, analyze results, and iterate in your approaches. This continuous loop of feedback and improvement will keep your project both responsive and relevant. Technology use is about integrating digital solutions into the DNA of your project, all while keeping a keen eye on the human element. After all, technology is at its best when it amplifies human potential, when it bridges divides and helps us to build a better future. With thoughtful application and a bit of strategic foresight, The technological tools at your disposal will not only streamline your project's operations, but will also help you to chart new paths for those whose lives you're here to improve. Thanks for your time today. I appreciate you listening. Join me on our next episode where we talk about the role of technology in development, opportunities, and challenges. I'm Dr. Donna Vincent Roa. Thanks, and have a great week.
Thank you for tuning in to Chief of Party to Chief of Party, Success in Your First 90 Days, your go-to source for insightful, actionable guidance that can shape the success of your project. Let's continue to drive change and create impact, one USAID-funded project at a time.